Impala Saracens coaching director says the Kenya Cup final pitting them against Kabras Sugar on Saturday will be a hotly contested tie. He added that the 10-time Kenya Cup champions Impala and Kabras play the same type of rugby, although he remains confident that his side will emerge victorious.
Well, I mean, this is going to be, you see, Kabras and Impala don't play very far, a very different type of rugby from each other. You'll find that Kabras has got a few heavy guys, and they've got a lot of players who have got X factors. But that's the same thing that you'll find at Impala. So I think it's more what will happen on the day itself. It's more who will be keen to win this. Fortunately, we'll be at home and we'll be trying to our damn best to win as well. We won the first game 31-14. Lost the second game 25-13, and so it sets up a good background for the final 1-1, and now let's see who will take the cup home.